Hello friends, my name is Gangotri. I am studying in 7th standard in Government Higher Primary School, Makanahalli. Today I am going to do a BT car assembly using Bluetooth. First we know the equipment names for this project. This is a BT car chassis 2. This is a BT car wheels 4. This is a M3 screw. This is a M3 net. This is a fastener. This is a battery container. This is a batteries. This is a Uno-board. This is a Bluetooth sensor. This is a switch. This is a DT Journal motor. When I fix DC Journal motors.
Fingers flying fast and focus now. Every wire, every single screw. Feel the static in the afternoon. Building power that's gonna break through. Makanahalli, Gangotri 7th standard victory. Sparks fly as the chassis takes its form. We're building thunder, weathering the storm. Makanahalli, watch us start to race. We are the Gangotri horizon breakers. Hey, hey. 7th grade innovators. Whoa. We're turning ideas into power. Whoa. This is our finest hour. Ooh, yeah. Fingers fly and circuits gleam, building our electric dream. Makanahalli, hear the call. Gangotri, we standing tall. 7th standard, feel the might. Bluetooth cars, ignite the light.
RX2 go to TX0. TXT go to RX1. GND go to GND. VCC go to 5V. I enjoyably completed my project. Thank you everyone. Bye.